Tēnā koutou katoa, Ngāti Kuia, he iwi pākohe, he iwi karakea. Tēnei te mihi atu rā ki a koutou ngā karangaranga maha e noho mai roto I te tauihu, tai atu rā ki te ika Māui, tai noa nei ki te Waipuna. O te rā huri noa te motu, tēnei te mihi, tēnei te kara. E ngā mana, e ngā reo, e ngā karanga maha o Ngāti Kuia e noho mai roto I te mata te whenua. Tēnei hoki rā, ngā mihi tangi, ngā mihi kia rātau kua haere atu ki te pō. O te rā e ngā mate haere atu rā. Huri noa ko koutou I aku rau rangatira, e whakarongo mai ki tēnei pā, tēnei whakāreke a koutou, tēnei te mihi tonu. Kia whakatau mai te maungaronga, te aroha, te manākatanga o tō tātou atua, kairangi a tātou katoa, kia ora ora, hui mai tātou. So, where to from here? We have completed the 6 presentations throughout the Rohe, beginning in Wairo, moving to Nelson and then down to Christchurch. We then flew the following week to Tāmaki, Auckland, down to Papaioia and Palmerston North, the Manawatu, Horowhenua and Whanganui area, and further down to Whanganui as our last port of call. The presentations went out very well. Response from all the whānau was very positive, and we're excited about the new whānau whenua initiative as it develops along. So today we're here to discuss, okay, where to from here. So the next step for you need to take is to have a hui, organise a hui with your whānau and gather up those that are a part of the land ownership of your land block that you've designated to develop. Whether that is socially, culturally or economically, and including environmentally. So that's the first thing that's important. In order to do that, you must be enrolled and registered to the Ngāti Kuia database, and one of the other things is to complete an application of the Ngāti Kuia Whānau Whenua Initiative enrolment form. And this is the enrolment form. So if you take a look at that, it's a simple step. There are a number of required questions here that you need to complete the enrolment form first and foremost, so that we know who we're working with, and it's only Ngāti Kuia iwi members at this stage of the process. Second to that, once you've completed the enrolment form, we will then look at what is called a Whānau Whenua Initiative Agreement. And this is for you to take to your whānau landowners hui and discuss this matter and this application and what's required on it with your whānau, in order to understand that is the next step for us to carry out in the Whānau Whenua Initiative. And that is to complete the Whānau Whenua Initiative Agreement. So that is an agreement of landowners in the interest of the land block that you are wanting to develop with your whānau. So it's important that you complete this Whānau Whenua Initiative. And in support of that, when you are holding your whānau hui, do not hesitate to contact what we call the navigators of the Whānau Whenua Initiative. That is myself, Keropa, Tracy King, or Anthony Pātete, who resides in Christchurch. So it's important now for us to take that phase for you to go take this information, the agreement, and work through the agreement with your whānau that are in the land interest and the land block that you designated to develop. After that, then there's the completion phase of developing a 5-year business plan, economic plan, cultural plan or social plan to help you with the management of that block. So these are the steps that you need to take. If you have any queries, please ring 0800 Ngāti Kuia. Again, 0800 Ngāti Kuia, and contact the office, and we will endeavour to get back to you as soon as available. What is important is that the navigators are here to help support your whānau and whānau initiative, and if you require our assistance, do not hesitate to contact the office so that we can arrange a time and date to meet with you. At this stage, Tracy Kingi and Keropa Rātapu will be working with the Tauihu, and Anthony Pātete will be working with Christchurch area to Waipunu and with the North Island. So whānau, do not hesitate to contact. If you need support around delivering the message to your whānau, we're here to help facilitate it. We do not interfere or intervene with any of the decisions that the landowners make. It is entirely up to you. You and your aspirations in connecting their relationship with your whenua is what is important. Tō reira koutou, ngā mihi kawana ki a koutou e whakarongo mai nā tēnā koutou, kia ora hui hui mai tātaka toa.